Let's learn how to remove the iPhone voicemail red dot notification on the phone app. If you want to know how to remove the iPhone voicemail red dot notification on the phone app, then follow this step-by-step video till the end. If you use an iPhone with iOS, you might have seen a message that asks you to set up a passcode and greeting before receiving a voicemail. When trying to set a passcode, it doesn't work properly. Even when searching in settings, it's hard to find. This message shows up even if there are no recent calls in favorites or contacts. It's frustrating, especially for iOS 17 users. You can check your iOS version by going to Settings, and here selecting General. Then, go to the About section. You'll get to see the iOS version of your phone. To fix it, go to Settings. Here, scroll down and tap on Phone. Then tap on Notifications. Turn the toggle off given right next to the badges. That should get rid of the annoying notification. If this tutorial was helpful, please subscribe and like the video.